Okay, this is totally gonna be sacrilegious. Here we have a 1982 12-back Masters of the Universe He-Man. I'm not sure how many people are gonna disagree with me opening this, but this happens to be a spare. And if you can see right over here, we have some damage on the bubble, exposing the packaging, the plastic rather, the figure inside. But other than that, all else seems okay. Oh, plus we have, of course, we have major damage on the card, probably coming from the sticker over here, and then a major fold, which has been taped over, which also made me decide to ultimately open this one. Okay, so here we go. But before anything else, let's make sure that this is indeed legit. So this is Mattel. You don't have the adult collector series here, which you often see, which you would see in the commemorative issue. So this is definitely from the 1980s, with the original Blast logo, which indicates this was from the second release. And of course the date stamp we have over here, 1982, which was the release of the first batch of He-Man toys. This figure was actually released in 1983. So 12-back series, who you have here: He-Man, Tila, Man-at-Arms, Stratos, Many Faces, Ram-Man, which completes the first 6 of the Heroic Warriors. And for the Evil Warriors, you have Skeletor, Beastman, Merman, Faker, Triclops, Trapjaw. So here we go. This particular figure is from Taiwan, which is actually a favorite amongst the various releases from different countries. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Totally sacrilegious. Someone's gonna kill me for this. Let me adjust that for a bit. Okay, that should be fine. There you go. Dun. There you go. Point of no return. Here we have the comic. I'm not sure if this was the first, if this was the same comic that came out with the first release back in '82. If anyone can validate that. Okay, let's check that out later. So on to the figure. Of course, you have your accessories over here. You have your battle axe, you have your shield, you have your power sword, half of the power sword. Pretty awesome. Okay. And He-Man himself. Joints are still tight, of course, as you would expect. Swing action is pretty solid. Careful with the head here. I'm not sure if it's gonna pop out or anything. But same as with other Taiwan figures, his head is pretty squishy. Okay. Try to adjust the brightness here. There we go. Hope this is better. Paint job is awesome. Everything's tight, of course. brand new total flashback. Got some mold down here. You can easily remove that. Kinda scared about this head. Not sure if this is gonna pop off easily. Not sure if you can see this. But it does look sturdy enough. I'm quite happy with it. So let's move on to the accessories. Dun, dun, dun. Gotta sniff this one. Yep, gotta love that 80s smell. The accessories have started to release some oil, which is expected from the action figures from this time. I've had a couple of He-Man figures that have shown the same kind of issues. Well, onto the power sword. Not bad, not bad at all. Armor's pretty tight. Super glad I got this on a bargain. Go pristine. Okay, let's put this over here. This one goes over here. And there you have it. Pretty awesome. Just be happier. Awesome. So I'm gonna make another video which compares this one, the commemorative, and the new vintage series by Super 7. So watch out for that, guys.